Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of Euro USD and GBP USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, you can subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis. So let's get started. So my dear friends, as we know it very well that there is not much activity, movement, volatility on the charts of Euro USD and GBP USD. Overall, the charts are very boring right now. Okay. If you look at the chart of dollar index, then as expected, dollar index is still bullish and market is going for some correction. As I always say, my dear friends, okay, this is just a correction, not a trend reversal. Correction and trend reversals are different thing. Market goes for retracement so that it can bounce again. So we can see the dollar index is also trying to take support around 103.88, but we have a good buyers around 103.50 to 103.60 and then 103.00 to 103.10. These are the two levels, or around these areas we have good set of buyers, because we can clearly see that 50 moving average and 100 moving average have been acting as dynamic support for quite some time. Whenever the market has come for retracement, these are the moving averages that provided dynamic support to the market. So we can expect the same again, especially in a market condition like this when we don't have much volatility. And if you look at the economic calendar, then we can see that today we have a news on US dollar, but this is not a major event. Market is mostly waiting for the jobs data, the NFP, which is coming on Friday. So mostly we can expect that market will remain sideways. Market may remain boring throughout the week. Now let's look at the chart of euro dollar. There it is. Okay, euro USD, my dear friends, as we have already discussed in our previous videos, that if you're a swing trader, positional trader, then yes, market has bounced from the support level around this area. Market is forming beautiful swings here. Market just took support around the 200 moving average as well as the trend line. If you have already taken a buy position, just be on the trade, no need to exit, because the market sentiment, market sentiment may not be favoring towards the upside, but overall the technicals will be dominating the market before the NFP. So we can expect a up move for the next 1 or 2 days at least. Right now euro USD is standing at 1.0829. Okay, at least there should be some upside till Friday. So if you already have a buy position, be on the trade, no need to exit. And apart from this trading opportunity, I don't see any reliable trade on the chart of euro dollar right now. Okay, the number of opportunities on the chart of euro USD and GBP USD are very less. After all, my dear friends, we are traders, not gamblers. So as a result, we need to understand that not every chart is tradable each and every day. The market is not same each and every day. That's why we need to be careful. But if you're a day trader but still you are madly in love with euro dollar and looking for positions, then during the day, if market goes up, then you can look for some selling opportunity around 1.0900, where we have the 100 moving average acting as dynamic resistance. The 50 moving average is also doing the same job, but this time I think if market goes up, then market may break the 50 moving average and move higher. But still you can observe the market around 1.0850, because 1.0900, though it is not very far away, but in this volatility, 1.0900 seems to be very far. So you can also focus on 1.0850 as well. So let's wait and watch. If market reverses, you can look for a quick selling opportunity around these areas. Okay, but overall, swing traders, positional traders, you can be on the buy position, because no market goes up in a straight line, goes down in a straight line. If the trend reversal comes also, it will be like this, isn't it? So yes, you need to be patient, but let's see how the market reacts, how the market stays before the NFP. Right now, I'm not liking this market at all. Now let's look at the chart of GBP USD, the cable. The cable is also okay, a little bit confused, not much volatility. Okay, market is swinging, okay, on levels, okay, that are very hard to understand. We are traders, we are retail traders. It is not possible for us to understand the market at each and every price level. It is not possible for us to interpret the market at each and every price level. After all, we do not move the market, isn't it? So as a result, we only need to trade on the levels, okay, where we can not we can where we have the understanding. We need to trade on the levels, okay, that we understand better. This is my opinion. Okay, your opinion may vary also. If I'm wrong, you can write down in the comment section. Okay, anyways, on the chart of GBP USD, the levels that I discussed yesterday are still the same here. Okay, I think we have two trading opportunities or two selling opportunities, and those are 1.2690 to 1.2700. This is the first selling opportunity, not first, the best selling opportunity on the chart of GBP USD, because of previous support will be acting as resistance, price action. Along with that, we have moving averages, dynamic resistance. 1.2690, 2700 seems to be a better selling level, but in this condition, I don't think so market has the strength potential to hit this level. In that case, we need to keep our eyes on 1.2650. Previous price rejection around this area signifies that sellers are present. If market reverses, there also we can look for some selling opportunity, and the support of 1.2500 is still very much present. I do not want to repeat the same stuff and bore you again. Overall, the market has not changed, so just you need to wait. Trading is very boring. Okay, there is a famous quote, okay, that I heard a long time ago. Trading should be boring. If it excites you, you are in the wrong track. Anyways, my dear friends, probably you guys already know it very well because I have announced it. Okay, that the world's most affordable Forex trading workshop is back again, that I conduct in both Hindi and English language. It's a 3 days workshop followed by 1 month support. Most affordable workshop. Okay, and I conduct this workshop in both Hindi and English. दोनों language में ही होता है. The link is in the description. Go to the website. You'll find all the details. You can see 3 days workshop, 2 hours every day. After that, okay, you will also get 4 weekly sessions. These are the topics that we will be discussing in our weekly sessions. This workshop is not for complete beginners. I have designed this workshop only for those people who have been struggling with the market for months and years, unable to make money for many months and years. Mostly for those people who are struggling. And don't get confused. Okay, the workshop is just a part of the Pro Trader program. Okay, so these are the benefits that you'll be getting, my dear friends. These are the benefits that you'll be getting in the workshop. Okay, and I have also shared my story so that you can understand that nothing is impossible in the market. The questionnaire is also there. Once you open the website, the questionnaire will come first, so that you can understand whether the workshop will be useful for you or not. Okay, and the best part is the fees. Let me show you. These are the dates. Okay, 6, 7, 8 Hindi classes, English classes 11, 12 and 13th. The best part is the fees. 3 days workshop with 1 month support is only $15 with rupees 1000, and these are the benefits that you will be receiving. Trading is a journey. It takes time. Okay, if you are looking for personal support, personal sessions, and if you're looking for longer relationship with me, our community, then you can sign up for the semi-annual and the lifetime programs. Okay, they are also very, very affordable. You can see 3 days workshop with 6 months support is only $65. These are the benefits. 2 personal sessions with me, and if you sign up for the lifetime, then you don't need to worry about at all. You'll be receiving regular updates, market analysis, trade setups, everything for lifetime. You don't need to pay, only $125, and you also get 6 sessions with me. So if you're interested, feel free to check out. The link is in the description. Bye bye, take care, see you tomorrow.